my gosh, hi Leo, I'm good, how are you?
You want to walk a little bit?
Yeah, that sounds great.
So what are you studying at Georgetown?
I'm studying international politics with a concentration in international security, and then I'm minoring in English and diplomatic studies.
Wow, that's a lot. What's your favorite time of day?
Probably the mornings. I like when no one else is really awake and campus is really peaceful and quiet, so it's a nice time.
What's your favorite movie the last 20 years?
Oh, this is actually not the last 20 years, but Pulp Fiction, which is from the 90s. I love that movie.
Do you miss your hometown and what about it?
Yes, I'm from San Francisco, so I really miss proximity to the beach, living 20 minutes away, and then I also really miss California Mexican food.
What's your go-to coffee order?
Probably a pumpkin spice latte.
Where?
Anywhere, but the Corp has a drink. The Corp is our on-campus student-run coffee shop, and they have a drink called Sweater Weather, which is a pumpkin spice latte with a bit of caramel, so my two favorite things.
What are you most looking forward to?
Probably Hilltop Madness. That was always my favorite as a delegate. I mean, education too, but Hilltop Madness.
Any committees and GAs that you've been
I'm super excited for DISAC and Interpol, but I love them all. They're all really great. I'm also really excited for the intellectual property organization because it's the first year that NAIMUN is running that, so super pumped to see how that plays out.
What do you always carry with you?
Probably my Kindle.
What have you read recently?
I've been working my way through the New York Times list of the best books of the century, so I recently read this book called Bel Canto, which was really good.
What's your favorite song lyric you can think of off the top of your head?
Oh, probably there's a Zach Bryan lyric where he talks about wanting to lay in a field with a cozy blanket and feel the warmth of the sun, which, you know, it's a bit chilly today if you can't tell by the gloves, so that's resonating with me.
For sure. What's a cause that's important to you?
Probably access to reproductive health care, especially in communities where people can't often access those products is something that I care about a lot.
Would you like to be famous and how?
Definitely not, because I don't think I could handle hate comments.
What's a phrase you wish you would stop saying?
Maybe like I'm just a girl, I think really made its way into my vocabulary.
Where did you pick that one from?
The internet, who knows?
What are you okay with splurging on?
Probably concert tickets.
Have you been any good ones recently?
Yeah, some recent ones were Tyler Childers, Zach Bryan. I actually went with a couple NAIMUN Secretariat members to Charlie XCX and Troye Sivan, which was amazing, life-changing.
When do you feel most inspired?
Probably after something that I've been working hard on has paid off, I think really inspires me to jump to the next big task.
What's your favorite personality trait of yourself?
Probably my work ethic.
And somebody else?
I think humor and an ability to not take things too seriously.
What's your biggest accomplishment?
Honestly, getting into Georgetown, I think is something I'm still really proud of.
How did that celebration look for you?
Oh, it was great. I was eating truffle fries when I opened it because I figured if I got rejected, I'd have truffle fries. And if I got in, that would be great. So that was a really great time.
What's your most treasured memory?
I think probably, like, this is kind of a series of memories, but I think every now and then I'm still like, wow, I actually am at Georgetown, that's crazy. And I think every time I have one of those moments, it's really nice because I just think how I would have been really happy with myself.
Why did you decide to come here?
This has been my dream school since I was really young. Obviously, it is a great place to study international relations. DC is an amazing location. And I also think just the culture here is something that really fits with me, like a work hard, play hard vibe.
Something you can't do.
Oh, I can't sing. I'm a really bad singer.
Would you 5 years ago be surprised by where you are now?
I think yes and no. I think 5 years ago I really wanted to be where I am now and had a very clear sense of what I wanted in life. So I don't think that I've dramatically altered what I want, but I do think that I would have been surprised that everything happened to work out, and I'm really thankful for that.
What's the perfect gift for you?
Probably a book.
Do you have like one you really want to get?
Not really. I feel like it's kind of fun to see what other people are really enjoying or think that I would like, and that's a great way to discover new things and venture into new genres. So.
What are people usually surprised to find out about you?
I'm a big fan of the show Survivor. I was actually in Georgetown's Survivor remake last season, and I also applied to be on the actual show. Did not get in, or I wouldn't be here, but you know.
What's the one item in your room you say when you wear it?
I have this, so when I was a kid, I switched schools a couple times. So I didn't have social media or a phone because I was little, so my friends would write me letters and I kind of started collecting them in a little box. And since then I've added like letters from grandparents, from family, like drawings that my younger brother made for me when he was in preschool, just notes of any kind. And they're all collected in that one box. So I think that's probably my most prized possession that I would save. Probably since I was in 2nd grade, which is when I switched schools for the first time. Yeah. Probably just traveling even more. I really want to go to Southeast Asia, like Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia. Why I haven't done it is because I don't have unlimited money on my own, but someday I will get there. Yeah, it was great to talk to you.